In a tranquil, sun-kissed marshland, nestled among the reeds, lived a peculiar pelican named Percival. He was not like the other pelicans. He had a peculiar gift, the ability to speak. One day, Percival found himself facing a peculiar predicament. A group of starving pelicans had invaded his marshland, threatening to deplete the fish supply, leaving none for Percival and his family. Percival pondered on what to do. He knew he could not fight them, for he was but one pelican. He could not outwit them, for they were many. He could not outrun them, for they were swift. One day, Percival noticed a peculiar sight. A wise old owl, perched on a nearby tree, observed the situation calmly. Percival approached the owl, seeking advice. The owl, with a wise twinkle in its eyes, spoke, "Percival, the wise do not always win through strength or speed. Sometimes they win through wisdom." Percival returned to his family, and with newfound wisdom, he called a meeting with the invading pelicans. He proposed a peculiar plan, a contest of wits, not of strength. The pelicans, intrigued, agreed. Percival presented a series of riddles, and the first pelican to answer correctly would be allowed to stay in the marshland. The pelicans were puzzled, and one by one, they left the marshland, defeated by Percival's riddles. Finally, only the leader remained. Percival asked his last riddle, "What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it, yet saying its name 9 times in a row protects you from all harm?" The leader thought hard, but could not answer. Percival, with a smile, answered, "Silence." The leader, defeated, left the marshland, and Percival and his family were left in peace. From that day forward, Percival was known as the Wise Pelican, and his story served as a reminder to all that wisdom, not strength, often leads to peace and harmony.